Hi everyone. I ordered this some components from Hari's project and I am going to unbox this for security purpose. I hope everything is good inside this. I think I should open this from here. I ordered lots of components and I hope everything is good in condition and here is nice packaging. Everything is safe. This is L29 3D motor driver. These are the wheels. This is 1 meter wire. These are the lithium ion batteries. These are charging modules. I think ESP32 is too small. Here you can see. But I hope this is working. This is board. Cutter. One another module. And these are the robot component. I hope all these components running well. But the size of ESP32 is too small, I think. Okay, size doesn't matter. I ordered 3 lithium ion batteries, but I got only 2. Let's calculate the complete price. 160 from 2 batteries, 20, 20 and 20. 60 rupees, 349. जाओ तुमको बुला रही हैं जाओ. 135, 50, 25, and I get this around 300. हाँ.
ये क्या खरीदे भैया?
चलो चुप रहो. I order all these and I calculate this amount. After I forget how much amount I bought this, so I'm going to site and check the original price of this component. Then I do the total. I paid 11 1127 rupees, so I have to check.